7 habits that destroy your nerves. But before we dive in, did you know that nearly 20 million people in the United States alone suffer from peripheral neuropathy? It's a staggering number, and it highlights the importance of understanding the habits that can impact our nervous system. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about my nerve health? Well, here's the deal. Our nerves are the unsung heroes of our body. They're the messengers, the communicators, the electricians ensuring that signals are sent and received throughout our entire system. Think about it like the wiring in your house. If something goes wrong, the whole system can be affected. The same goes for our nerves. When they're not functioning optimally, it can have widespread consequences. So, grab a seat, maybe a healthy snack, and let's talk about the habits that could be silently affecting your nervous system. We're not just throwing facts at you, we're empowering you with the knowledge to take charge of your well-being. Knowledge is power, my friends. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the know-how to make choices that can keep your nerves in tip-top shape. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey of nerve enlightenment, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the fascinating world of nerve health. 1. Poor diet. Now, we all know the saying, you are what you eat, but when it comes to your nerves, it's more like, your nerves are as healthy as your diet. Picture this, a plate full of vibrant, colorful fruits and veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. Now, on the flip side, imagine a plate loaded with processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. Which plate do you think your nerves would prefer? Spoiler alert, it's the first one. Here's the nitty-gritty. Our nerves thrive on certain nutrients, and when we don't give them what they need, trouble can brew. Vitamin B12 and B6 are like VIPs for nerve health. They play a crucial role in nerve function and maintenance. Now, let me hit you with a stat. Studies show that a deficiency in these B vitamins can contribute to up to 40% of neuropathy cases. That's nearly half. So, what's the takeaway? Make friends with foods rich in these vitamins, like fish, poultry, eggs, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. Your nerves will thank you. But it's not just about what you add to your diet, it's also about what you should cut back on. Excessive sugar and refined carbohydrates can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels. Now, why should you care? High sugar levels are associated with diabetic neuropathy, a condition that affects millions worldwide. Let's be real, we all love a sweet treat now and then, but moderation is key. Your nerves will appreciate the balance, and you'll be one step closer to a diet that supports your overall well-being. So, here's the bottom line, a poor diet isn't just about your waistline, it's about the intricate network of nerves buzzing within you. By making mindful choices and ensuring you get those essential nutrients, you're not just fueling your body, you're nourishing your nerves, and that's a game changer for your overall health. 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Now, we've all heard the phrase, drink responsibly, but let's dig into why that's not just a catchy tagline, it's crucial for the health of your nerves. First off, did you know that chronic alcohol abuse can have a direct toxic effect on your nerves? It's like a double whammy. Not only can it lead to nutritional deficiencies, but alcohol itself can wreak havoc on the delicate balance of your nervous system. Here's a startling stat, around 50% of long-term heavy drinkers develop peripheral neuropathy. That's right, half. Your nerves depend on a delicate dance of various nutrients, and alcohol disrupts this dance, leaving your nerves vulnerable to damage. Now, I'm not here to rain on your happy hour, but moderation is key. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention defines moderate drinking as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Going beyond that can increase your risk of nerve damage. But it's not just about the quantity, it's also about the quality of your drink choices. Opt for beverages that are lower in alcohol content and consider alcohol-free days. Your nerves need a break too. And let's not forget the impact of alcohol on your overall health. Liver damage, nutritional deficiencies, and impaired immune function, these are all factors that can indirectly contribute to nerve damage. So, it's not just your liver that's raising a red flag, your nerves are waving one too. In a nutshell, it's about finding that balance, enjoying a social drink without pushing your nerves to their limits. Your nerve health is like a delicate ecosystem, and excessive alcohol can throw it off balance. So, let's raise a glass to moderation and keeping those nerves in harmony. 3. Smoking. We all know that smoking is bad for our lungs, but the impact on our nerves is often underestimated. Spoiler alert, it's not good. First off, smoking is like a 1-2 punch to your nerves. It not only increases your risk of cardiovascular diseases but also has a direct link to nerve damage. The toxins in tobacco smoke can damage the blood vessels that supply nutrients to your nerves. It's like a toxic traffic jam for your nervous system. Here's a staggering stat for you. Smokers are nearly 4 times more likely to develop peripheral neuropathy compared to non-smokers. That's a significant risk, and it's not something to be taken lightly. But let's not just focus on the numbers, let's talk about the why behind it. Smoking reduces blood flow throughout your body, including to your extremities. When your nerves don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need, they start sending distress signals. Now, I get it, quitting smoking is easier said than done. It's a tough habit to kick. But here's the silver lining. When you quit, your body starts to heal. Within weeks, your circulation improves, and over time, the risk of nerve damage decreases. So, here's the challenge. If you're a smoker, consider this your friendly nudge to start the journey toward a smoke-free life. Your nerves, your lungs, your whole body will thank you for it. In summary, smoking isn't just a threat to your lungs, it's a hazard for your nerves too. It's time to clear the air, quite literally, and make choices that support not just your respiratory health but the intricate network of nerves within you. 4. Poor posture, something many of us may be guilty of, especially in this era of endless screens and desk jobs. But did you know that poor posture isn't just about looking slouched? It can actually impact the intricate network of nerves throughout your body. Let's get real about this. How many hours a day do you spend hunched over a screen, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone? Now, imagine your nerves as delicate wires. Every slouch, every hunch is like bending and twisting those wires. It's not the ideal setup for a smooth flow of signals, right? Here's a surprising fact. Poor posture is a leading cause of compression neuropathy, including the notorious carpal tunnel syndrome. Prolonged pressure on nerves can lead to tingling, numbness, and even pain. It's like putting your nerves in a tight squeeze, and they're not fans of cramped spaces. But fear not. The good news is that being mindful of your posture can make a world of difference. Let's do a quick check. Sit up straight, shoulders back, and chin level. Your nerves will thank you. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the sedentary lifestyle. We're sitting more than ever, and our nerves are paying the price. Lack of movement can lead to stiffness, reduced circulation, and yes, you guessed it, nerve compression. So, here's the challenge: break up those long periods of sitting. Stretch, stand, take a short walk, whatever gets your body moving. Your nerves love a good stretch as much as you do. In a nutshell, poor posture is more than a cosmetic concern. It's about creating a nerve-friendly environment for the wires that keep your body humming along smoothly. So, let's stand tall, sit smart, and give our nerves the space they deserve. 5. Lack of exercise. Now, we all know that exercise is good for our muscles and heart, but did you know that it's just as crucial for the health of your nerves? It's time to lace up those sneakers and explore the dynamic relationship between movement and nerve well-being. Let's start with the basics. Our nerves, much like the rest of our body, thrive on good circulation. Exercise gets the blood pumping, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to every nook and cranny, including those intricate nerve networks. It's like a nutrient-packed express delivery service. Here's a stat that might surprise you. A sedentary lifestyle has been linked to an increased risk of neuropathy. Think of it as your nerves craving movement. They're not fans of being stuck in the same position for too long. Now, I get it. Not everyone is a gym buff or a marathon runner. The good news is that you don't have to be. Even moderate exercise, like brisk walking, dancing, or yoga, can make a significant difference. It's about finding what you enjoy and making it a regular part of your routine. But it's not just about preventing nerve damage. Exercise also plays a crucial role in managing conditions like diabetes, which, as we've discussed, can be a risk factor for nerve issues. It's a win-win situation. You're not just benefiting your nerves. So, here's the challenge. Find an activity you love and make it a habit. Whether it's a dance class, a bike ride, or a simple stretch routine at home, your nerves will thank you for the extra attention. In summary, lack of exercise isn't just about missing out on those fitness gains. It's about creating an environment where your nerves can flourish. So, let's get moving, stay active, and keep those nerves in top-notch shape. 6. Inadequate sleep. We all know that getting a good night's rest is essential, but have you ever thought about how it directly influences the health of your nerves? Grab your favorite blanket and let's unravel the fascinating connection between sleep and nerve vitality. Sleep is like a nightly reset button for our entire body, and our nerves are no exception. During those precious hours of slumber, our nervous system gets to work repairing, rejuvenating, and ensuring everything is in tip-top shape. Now, here's a compelling fact. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of nerve damage. It's not just about feeling groggy the next day, it's about the long-term impact on our intricate nerve networks. Think of it this way, when we skimp on sleep, we're denying our nerves the chance to go through their nightly maintenance routine. It's like expecting a car to run smoothly without ever giving it a tune-up. Spoiler alert, it doesn't work that way. But it's not just about the quantity of sleep, it's also about the quality. Ever wake up feeling more exhausted than when you went to bed? That's a sign that your nerves might not be getting the restorative sleep they crave. So, here's the challenge. Create a sleep haven. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for rest, minimize screen time before bed, invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and establish a calming bedtime routine. Your nerves will thank you. In a nutshell, inadequate sleep isn't just about feeling tired, it's about the silent impact on the health of your nerves. So, let's prioritize our sleep, embrace those cozy blankets, and give our nerves the nightly tune-up they deserve. 7. Medication abuse. Medications are a crucial part of healthcare, but did you know that misuse or overuse can have serious implications for the health of your nerves? Let's navigate through the prescription of awareness and explore the impact of medication abuse on our nervous system. First off, medications, when used appropriately, can work wonders in managing health conditions. They're like the superheroes of healthcare, stepping in to fight off ailments and keep our systems in balance. However, when we veer into the territory of misuse or overuse, it's like having too many superheroes trying to save the day at once. Chaos ensues. Here's a critical fact. Certain medications, especially when not used as prescribed or in excess, can lead to nerve damage. Take chemotherapy drugs, for example, life-saving in the fight against cancer, but they can also cause peripheral neuropathy as a side effect. Now, I'm not here to instill fear of necessary medications. It's crucial to work closely with healthcare professionals, follow their guidance, and communicate any concerns or side effects you may experience. But it's not just about prescription medications. Over-the-counter pain relievers, if not used as directed, can also contribute to nerve issues. It's like playing with fire. A little heat is good for cooking, but too much can lead to a blaze. So, here's the challenge: be proactive in understanding your medications. Ask questions, know the potential side effects, and don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider if something feels off. Your nerves deserve a well-coordinated team of superheroes, not a chaotic brawl. In summary, medication abuse isn't just about popping pills, it's about creating a partnership with your healthcare team. And there you have it, health enthusiasts. We've journeyed through 8 habits that can impact the health of your nerves. From dietary choices to lifestyle habits, each one plays a crucial role in maintaining the well-being of your intricate nervous system. If you found this exploration valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Your support keeps us going, and we're thrilled to have you on this journey toward a healthier, more informed you. I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. What habits surprised you the most, and which ones are you committed to changing? This community is all about learning and growing together. Let's continue making informed choices for a vibrant and resilient life. Thanks for joining me today. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.